Hi you guys, I'm back. I'm sorry I got interrupted by a phone call from my sick family member. So I had to pause the video and I'm gonna just make this part 2. So if you were with me in the last video, I'm opening a beautiful bag of Halloween Happy Mail that is from the Coop House, from Ms Coopers Coop, and I had started and shown you how she had the bag closed with this adorable topper. And the bag is an adorable spiderweb bag with crinkle paper in it, and then she has this adorable clip, which I'll have to use on my journal or something for Halloween. But I just think this is so cute, Muriel. This just makes me giggle. I just love that. Anyway, she had everything all filled up. I already showed these adorable little pinwheels. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. And then the next thing I was about to open was this envelope, and I think this is the card that she made. So let's take a look at this. And this says, "Have a very happy Halloween." Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Look at, she always has the neatest little stickers and different things to decorate with. And this Happy Halloween is like holographic. And then there's an owl, and I think that's a brad, I think. Is that a brad? Oh no, it's like a little, this is actually a little piece of chipboard. I thought it was a brad at first. This is a sticker, and then this really cool faced pumpkin, all on a tag. Isn't that cool? And then look at the way the stars glitter, because they have these little star stickers that are sparkly. So what a beautiful card. I'll just read that really quick. Okay, and I will talk with Muriel about that. And then she has these really pretty, what's in here? Oh, it's a spider. Okay, here, look at that. This is a giant spider. Look at that. Wow, that is sparkly. I'll have to use that on my tray in my kitchen maybe. Isn't that cool? I don't know if you added that to it. I'm behind on watching videos, so I'm not sure if Muriel made that or if she found it or added the glitter to it, but that's cool. And then there's these adorable little, oh, look at these little things to just add to projects. Look at the little witch's brew cup. That's so cute. And look at how the little netting is behind it. These are adorable. Beware, it's a little haunted house. And then this one is the witch with the cauldron, and there's little green gems for the stuff coming out of the cauldron. Oh, these are adorable. So fun. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to use those on some little cards or something. And then there's these adorable ghosts. It says fabulous. Look at this little tag. That's so cute. And these ghosts just make me laugh. I haven't been shopping in so long, you guys. I haven't seen anything that's in the stores or on, I just haven't bought very much lately. But look at how cute these are. These just make me smile, Muriel. These make me laugh. I'm gonna have to bring one of these to my mom when she does good with therapy and give her a cute ghost. Maybe with a treat or something. Okay, and then last but not least, ooh, Archer Farms Apple Cinnamon Pecan Trail Mix. Oh, Muriel, you know my son's gonna eat that up. All right. Oh my goodness, that is just delicious. All right, you guys. Well, Muriel, thank you so much, honey, for thinking of me, and I just wish you the best. And hopefully I can get over to your channel and watch some more of your beautiful videos. It's been a few weeks since I really watched YouTube at all much, you guys. So, but things are starting to calm down, so hopefully I can do that. I've just got a few minutes this morning, and then I have to go over and do some stuff at my parents' place. So I thought I would just share some things with you. So the other thing I was going to share this morning is just these tags that I did post these to Instagram, but I have not done a video on them. And so I thought I would share them really quick while I have you guys on here for the Happy Mail. So this is the Simon Says Stamp Holiday Snowflake Tag Die. And I always think it's helpful to see the actual die and what it cuts. So it's a 2-piece die. You have the backer piece that cuts the solid piece, and then this cuts the detail snowflake, okay? And so it creates a tag like this, and I just did it in white and cream so you could kind of see it. Okay, and what I chose to do is to actually cut a Polkadoodles image in a circle, and then I layered that on top of the snowflakes that I created, and I did use this Mod Podge sparkle stuff to paint over the snowflakes. So I did this all in like multiple steps, you guys, but I actually made the snowflake the separate piece. I added this later, the backer piece, but I made the snowflakes first, and I painted them with this gloss gel. I think it's from Mod Podge. I think Tammy is where I saw it. I can't remember now. Hi, Tammy. Tammy's SS Crafter 1, and if you guys haven't been to her channel in a while, she's got some nice videos. I think a couple weeks ago I watched one, and she was showing her fall thrifting projects. Maybe it was just last week. I don't know. I was awake in the middle of the night. Anyway, back to the tags. Sorry, I'm very distracted today. So anyway, I painted them, did that all in one step, let them all dry, and then I went and cut these circle tags from a digital file that I have from Polkadoodles. And I just layered a Winnie circle tag over the top, and with a little image. And you could also just stamp and color an image, but I'm very short on crafting time this year, so I'm trying to take shortcuts where I can. So, and then I just added this Lawn Fawn tag that says "To You with Love," and I'll show you the stamp sets. I think I brought them down. It's Christmas in the heart that puts Christmas in the air. So this is a second backer piece. So I used 2 of the backer pieces and 1 of the snowflake pieces from the die. Okay, and that's how I made these sweet tags. Okay, so then you can either sign the back or you can sign on the inside and just write your name or whatever. So I thought these turned out really cute. This is a piece from Hobby Lobby and some sparkle trim from Hobby Lobby. So I just thought I would go through, oops, this is crinkle paper from Muriel's Happy Mail. I just thought I would go through and just show you these. This one has that little, a little gingerbread charm, and I don't think I brought that die down. I have shown it before on my channel. If you need to know what it is, just leave a comment and I'll give you the information. Snowy Wishes to You is, this was in my scrap pile. It's from a tags I was making last year. And then this one has a little polar bear, such a cute little scene. And this one says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and it has beige, of course, and the craft cardstock from Paper Tray ink instead of the white. Okay, so there's the second one. And then here's a green one that says "To You with Love" again. Has another one of the little dangle things, and I used a jump ring to put a bell on there. This one says "Merry Christmas from our home to yours." So, and then this one has a little Christmas tree tag, and it says "Holiday Hugs," and this is a Paper Tray ink tag, but that "Holiday Hugs" I believe is from Paper Sweeties. And then another little image. I love the little bird. So, and then on the inside, this one again is the beige or the craft, and it says "Candy Cane Wishes and Mistletoe Kisses." And I did that because there's the candy canes there. So there's that one. And this one says "Holiday Hugs" again, and that's a Paper Sweeties sentiment. Has a little pink bell and this cute little snowflake charm from Hobby Lobby. A little star tag from Lawn Fawn. I love those Lawn Fawn tags. I use them a lot. It's their Christmas set of tiny tags. And then this one just has a back, and on the back I added a snowy flower, and it says "Have a warm and cozy holiday season." And this one I actually edged in a little bit of this gray ink, and that was because it had a smudge on it, and so I just wanted to disguise the smudge. So you can always fix smudges by doing something to what you're creating to make it work. So here's one that says, again, "To You with Love." And this one has this sweet polar bear. I love this polar bear image. He just makes me smile. And then the snowflake on this one was die cut with some paper that had printing on it. And And then this one says, have a warm and cozy holiday season. So, and this one again has a bell and a little snowflake. And this one uses some vintage trim that I got in one of my very last thrifting forays, because the thrift store that I frequented closed. So very sadly, I don't know if it was because of COVID or what, but they're no longer there. So this one says, to you with love. And this one has a little girl in a reindeer costume. She's just sweet as can be. And it says, sending all our love this Christmas and always. So I just think these turned out so sweet. And this one again says, holiday hugs. And I think I kind of should move that over a bit. There we go. And it has a little bell and a little mitten. And she's wearing her little reindeer costume again. It says, have a warm and cozy holiday season. So those last two are very similar. So I had so much fun finishing these tags. I actually started them last year and was kind of struggling with what to put on the front to give them something to make them special. And then I got the idea of really painting the glitter on and then adding these Polkadoodle images to the top. So that was what I ended up doing. And then the sweet sentiments that I showed you on the inside are from a new stamp set from Mama Elephant called Mixed Holiday Greetings. And this just came out this year. And I loved this set so much I had to get it. So I don't order very many things at all anymore, you guys, just because I'm getting older and I just find that I'm not using my supplies. So I'm trying this year very much to make Christmas tags with what I already have in my stash. So let's see. I'm trying to think if these are for the next set of tags, so I'll set that aside. And then I did use some of these jump rings, and I think I got this off. I don't know. This might be Kid Made Modern. I'm not sure where I got this, but I had this. I found this in my stash. So these were the jump rings that I could find to use. So I hope that helps you guys out. I showed you the die. I want to thank Muriel again for the beautiful Happy Mail. Such a blessing, Muriel. And thank you to Suzan again, too. In the last video, I showed you the sweet little pumpkin bread tags that she cut me from the Silhouette Design Store. So anyway, I am just truly blessed by all of your friendships, all of your comments and support and love as we all craft together. So I hope you're having a good fall. Happy fall to all of you. Hello to all of you. I'm just enjoying seeing everybody's projects on Instagram lately. Chris and Kat and, oh, I'm forgetting people. I've been looking at Tammy's feed and Susan's and Laura's and Elise's and Rhonda's. I'm forgetting some Muriel's and Natalie, who's put some bling on it. Is that what you are, Natalie? Oh my gosh, you guys. Anyway, I hope you guys are all having a good fall. Amy, all of my sweet crafty friends, you all know who you are. I love you all. God bless you. Bye-bye now.